Why, hello, everybody. Welcome to week 14 here in Police Systems. It's going to kind of be a short week, but we've still got a lot of material that's due. I will tell you that Friday morning when things are due, I will not be checking them. I'm going to be out of town, so it will be Monday before I check things. So you actually have a couple extra days to get things done with the Thanksgiving holiday. So just kind of keep that in mind. But I will get home sometime Sunday evening and will probably start checking some of my online classes for deadline completions when I get back, depending on how tired I am. Okay, next thing I want to talk about the exam we just took. The exam results were pretty good. There were a few that weren't so good. We have one student make better than 100, which means they got the bonus, which means those of you that said there wasn't a bonus question, it was there because I think it was 2 or 3 students actually got it, but the majority didn't, but it was there. So you just didn't watch the entire videos. We had about 80% of the students made an A, B, or C. We had a few D's, a couple D's, and 1 failure. So if you were one of the D's or the failure, you know you need to work a little bit harder for the final exam, which is coming up real soon. We're in week 14. That means there's only 3 weeks left in the course. So make sure you get it done. I'm still lacking 2 students submitting their video presentation. You're not going to get a grade on it, but if you don't submit it, you're going to fail the class at this point. You've got to present your research paper. It's very clear in the syllabus. It's very clear during the course when I tell you it's got to be presented or you fail the class. So the fact is the ones that haven't submitted it probably aren't watching this video, but so the ones that are watching it, y'all did a great job. Otherwise, you got to understand it's got to be submitted or you will not pass the class. So with that said, I'll move on. Let me get out of the way and we'll talk about other things we've got. We have the course evaluations are available. Now, please complete these. The course evaluations are valuable. Over the years, I've tweaked my course because of suggestions found in the course evaluations. So spend the time to complete them. You'll simply click on the link, which will go you to an instruction page. Gives you kind of frequently asked questions. Then you will click on this link where you will sign in using only your username and not your school email address. So the part before the @ sign is what you're going to use for this course evaluation. Now we'll talk about what we've got going on this week. As I said, it's a short week, but you still have a chapter due, chapter 14 on accountability of the police. You will have needed to have completed, made at least a 70 on chapter 13 before it's visible. Start working on the chapter review as you read the chapter in the book and watch the video. Then submit that. Complete your follow-ups for chapter 13, which many of you have already done. I already looked at them, and a lot of them have actually completed everything for chapter 13 already, so that's great. In fact, this last week, I only had 1 student who did not get 100% on the chapter 12 discussion. So keep up the good work, except for that student that didn't do it, who also hadn't done they presented their research paper. Just kind of finish the work in the course. And that's all we've got for this week. So y'all have a great Thanksgiving. Don't eat too much, and I will talk to you again. The video will probably not be out till Monday afternoon of next week instead of Friday again, because I'll be out of town on Friday. And I don't think I'm going to be recording a video on Thanksgiving. I'll talk to y'all later.